Hi guys, it is Steffi from Polly's Pet Shop, and we are here today with another video. I'm Mallory and Haley and Aislinn, and what are we doing today?
We're doing gender reveals with the birds!
You get to find out if they are boys or girls today. We are very excited, and I think they are very excited too. So let's go ahead and see what they are.
Right now, who do we have? The blue throat macaw?
Yes.
Mallory, what do you think the blue throat macaw is?
I think a girl.
You think it's a female?
I mean, blue throats in general are just sassy with personality, but this one's extra sassy.
Extra sassy? Got a little extra spice?
Small bird personality.
Yes.
Yeah.
Haley, what do you think
I
it
think
is?
she's also a female.
Okay. Aislinn, what do you think?
I'll be the weirdo and say it's a male.
A male? Okay. All right, Kyle, can you present them? What? Well, Haley's just going to open it since the blue throat doesn't want her little toy that we made her.
Alright, okay, boy or girl? Ding!
Sorry. Oh my gosh. Velociraptor.
Yeah, like, what are we, Jurassic Park?
Coco?
Can we start?
Coco's like, Now we're doing the little red front. What do you think it is, Mallory?
I think a boy.
A boy? Okay.
I think a boy too.
Okay. Aislinn?
A girl.
All right. Nice. I appreciate the difference.
Ready? Wait. Oh, I saw. It's a girl! In your face. Oh my god!
So, who do we have next?
The African gray.
I call him R2 because I've been teaching him R2D2 sounds. I think he's a boy.
You think he's a boy?
Yes.
I think he's a boy too.
I actually think he's a boy.
Okay.
Here, do it in the middle. There you go.
Yay! Almost.
No way.
It's a girl!
Are they all girls?
I guess so.
You're a girl? Huh. That's okay. You're still R2.
That's okay. See, you a girl. Yay! She's like, what? Who do we have next?
The military.
The military macaw. All right.
I think. I'm just gonna say boy.
I think a girl.
You think a girl? Okay. Okay.
Girls.
Alright.
Boy, yeah.
You want,
Oh.
come
It's
on.
like, why are you putting that on my
Aislinn, did you see it?
He's looking at me, he's like, good job. Yeah, come on. Yeah, hear it.
He like looked at me like, is it okay?
Yay! You a boy! Oh, whoa!
Thanks.
Get that out of my face.
Who do we have next?
My favorite. And I think this one's a girl. That's wrong.
I'm gonna say a boy.
A boy?
I want to say boy too.
Okay.
I was gonna say.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a boy!
Good. She's already.
You're a boy! Oh. Coco!
Making me really nervous.
Hi, Coco! Hi, baby! Aislinn, what do you think Coco is?
Definitely a boy.
A boy? Okay. Haley, what do you think Coco is?
Please don't
I think she's a Moluccan cockatoo,
Oh, I think you're right.
but probably a girl.
A girl? Okay.
And I think he's a velociraptor. I think it's a boy.
Ready?
Coco, yay! Yeah.
And then our prize is we get to clean this all up.
Boy, boy. Girl, girl.
Girl and boy.
Boy.
What were y'all most surprised at? Like with?
Okay. I think. I was really excited.
I was surprised with the gray.
Yeah, I was-
think.
Yeah.
I thought it was a boy.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want a gender reveal of our toucan, Professor Polly. Yeah, Coco wants it. Yeah, you want to know?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Oh, it's like, be sure to subscribe to to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, and like us on Instagram, and I think that's everything, right? Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye!